During the 1849 gold rush, profits flowed to the merchants selling picks and shovels, not the miners panning for gold. We are seeing the exact same dynamic in the artificial intelligence space. While developers spend millions gambling on new software, strategic investors are acquiring the digital toll bridges that direct users to those tools. For years, the default strategy for digital passive income was the Amazon affiliate blog, but referring buyers to physical products for a 3% commission is a volume game. It requires massive, unsustainable traffic levels just to survive, leaving the owner vulnerable to every minor change in search algorithms. The market has shifted toward a more lucrative asset class. Consumer searches for AI tools are up 400% year over year. Queries for best AI writing tools and AI chatbot software generate hundreds of thousands of searches every month, creating a high-demand niche for specialized content. In this tech cycle, the gatekeepers, the people connecting ready-to-buy consumers with the right software, are capturing the most consistent wealth. They aren't building the apps. They are controlling the traffic. These gatekeeper properties are AI affiliate websites. They are platforms designed to compare, review the latest tools, and teach professional use cases. B2B SaaS unit economics offer 20 to 50% commissions, yielding $50 to $500 per sale. With subscription models, one referral pays a monthly cut for the user's lifetime. This compounding cash flow commands valuations of 35 to 50 times monthly profit. Managing these properties is efficient. Since there is no physical inventory or direct customer support, an owner can maintain the asset in 5 to 15 hours per week. High-ticket payouts and recurring revenue turn these sites into highly efficient, yield-generating digital assets. Maximizing ROI, or return on investment, requires active management. By continuously updating tool reviews to reflect new features and pricing, you capture high-intent search traffic as the fast-moving AI market evolves. An aggressive email strategy allows for long-term monetization. Segmenting your audience based on their specific needs lets you recommend newly launched tools and premium training courses directly to their inbox. You can also diversify beyond affiliate links. Successful operators often add paid tool directories or refer high-ticket consulting leads to AI agencies in exchange for a partnership fee. The most effective traffic lever is expanding the brand to YouTube. Creating video tutorials and embedding them back into the site's articles captures an audience from multiple traffic sources and improves the site's authority with search engines. Systematically applying these growth levers builds a multi-channel digital property that appreciates far faster than a single-channel site. To see how this works in practice, consider an investor who acquired an AI writing tools review site for $95,000. At the time of purchase, the starting profit was $2,400 per month. Over the following year, the buyer launched a YouTube channel, expanded the content to include AI design tools, and created a lead generation email course. After 12 months, traffic had increased by 73%. More importantly, the monthly profit doubled and reached $4,800. This cash flow growth triggers a spike in the underlying asset value. At $4,800 in monthly profit, the business valuation reaches $240,000, based on standard market multiples. Methodical asset management in an explosive sector yields returns that traditional real estate or index funds rarely match. Building a site like this from scratch is difficult. It requires months of zero revenue, constant content production, and the risk that a search engine update could bury a new, unproven domain before it ever gains traction. You can bypass the startup phase by acquiring a turnkey digital asset. Buying a site that is already generating revenue allows you to focus on growth rather than the initial struggle for visibility. Ecom Chief Marketplace is the leading platform for finding these opportunities. It specializes in fully vetted, cash-flowing AI affiliate businesses ready for immediate takeover. Ecom Chief provides verified revenue data and handles the full ownership transfer. The handover process is designed to be seamless, ensuring you have total control of the asset from day one. Stop building from zero and start managing a high-yield asset. Click the link below to browse Ecom Chief's current inventory and launch your digital portfolio today.